Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to autosave your Snapchat memories. If you don't autosave your memories, then when you uninstall your Snapchat, then all of your memories will be deleted. But when you autosave the memories, even if you uninstall and reinstall this Snapchat again, then the memories will be there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open Snapchat on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. You can see the camera of Snapchat here. From here, you'll have to go to the settings. So for that, tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. And once you reach your profile page, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and under the category privacy control, you can see the option memories. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you can see the first option under storage, that is smart backup. To autosave your memories, you'll have to turn this feature on, that is enable this feature. But by default, this feature will have been disabled on Snapchat. So you won't be able to see the green background and the tick icon just like on the screen. Now to enable this feature, you'll simply have to tap on the small square box. And smart backup has been enabled. Now your memories will be autosaved. You can also select where the memories will be saved. So for that, you can see the second category that says save destination. And there you can see the option save button. Go ahead and tap on it. Now on this page you can select whether the snaps will be saved only on your memories or your camera roll only, or both your memories and camera roll. For me, I've selected both memories and camera roll. You can do the same. Now let's go back, and on the bottom you can see the next option, which is autosave my story snaps. Tap on it. Now by default, your story snaps won't be autosaved. So to autosave your story snaps, you'll have to select the autosave to memories option, just as I've done on the screen. Once you do this, you can rest assured that your memories will be autosaved. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.